Hi and welcome to my Python YouTube channel. It's awesome to have you here. If you like this video, a thumbs up would be great. And make sure to subscribe for future videos. I also have a blog at prosperocoder.com with lots of cool stuff, so feel free to check it out. In the previous part of the matplotlib series, we were talking about the legend. Today we'll learn how to add text annotations to the graph. Let's create a simple graph on which we will be able to demonstrate it. So here are our imports, our x and y values, and our plot. Let's run this code, and what we get is this. And now let's add a couple labels to the graph. We can do it by means of the text method. It takes a few arguments. The first two arguments are the x and y coordinates of the lower left corner of the label. Then we pass the text of the label. We can also add some formatting by passing some more arguments. Anyway, let's start with something very basic. We'll add 3 labels to the graph. So, here is our text method, and here are the positions where the label should start. The positions of the lower left corner of the label. And here is the text. So let's run this code. And now we have these 3 labels on the graph. Hi, here at this position. As you can see, this label starts over here. So at position 2 on the x-axis and 0.95 on the y-axis, which is somewhere here. Yeah, like here. Now, local minimum, the second label starts at -25, so here, and -0.25, so somewhere here. Good. And then the third label, local minimum, is on this side of the graph. So at x equals 6, which is over here, and the same height, -0.25. Good. Now you can style the text directly in the xText method. All you have to do is set the appropriate arguments. So let's have a look at this in action. Here's our plot, and now this text should be centered horizontally and a bit bigger. The second label should be right aligned and displayed in green. And the third label should be displayed in red and should be bigger. And here we're using some arguments to format the text like HA to align the text horizontally, size like here and here to set the size of the text, color to set the color. And now let's see how it works. Here's our graph. As you can see, the first text is centered and bigger than before. The second text is right aligned and green. The third text is bigger and red. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.